Hello and welcome to my shed. Welcome to part 3 of the servo powered robot arm build. We've broken it up into parts because it was going up to about an hour now, and so welcome to part 3, and here we go. Well, after looking at the pictures, we have determined that this goes I've got it wrong. Can I put that in? Yes, excellent. I don't have to take it to pieces. Right. This goes in like that. And then that bit goes on there. Which is starting to look a bit like an arm. So before I put that servo in, I need to attach that there. And that bolt's going to be tricky. Okay, yes, that may have made more sense to get in before we did that, but we don't have any instructions, so I'm perfectly willing to accept there's going to be problems. Colin Furs never has this problem. Right, that's got that bit on. Now, the servo. Let's get this the right way around this time. We need as much leverage as we can. We're going to put this at the top, so the servo is going to hang now. The servo is going to hang that way. Bolt the servo in. Oh, that's going to be tricky. Let's bolt the servo in. That is going to be tricky to get in there. See, even that hole, you have to screw it through the plastic in order to get any... Right, how do we get in there? How big are your hands, Harry?
Okay.
How big are your hands?
Tiny compared to yours.
Tiny.
B.
Right, Harry, how big are your hands?
Quite small compared to yours.
Right, I've got to get something in right down in there. Right, 2 quite difficult bolts to get in. I do hope this is the right way around. Bit of a song and dance, but we got that on. Right, what am I doing? Okay, this goes on there. And that's going to be the centre, so we need a... What is that in there? What's that? Okay, we need this one and this one. Mistake number 3.
What was that? Did you put it in the wrong way around again?
The servo has got to go in last. Very funny. Okay, well that's mistake number 3. Take this apart again. Oh, and the bolts. My son's done such a good job there. Can't get the bolt out. So we're going to have to go through all that hassle again. So, we've got the servo out again because that was a mistake. Right, the servo is going to go in like this, so we need to put this in first. An instructional video, yes. So this goes through here. What not to do. How not to build a robot arm. I think one of these will do it. Don't really know how tight to go on these bearings, so I'm assuming they are bearings. Okay, so now we can put the servo in, and hopefully, oh, this is going to be very tight indeed. Okay. Okay, that's the servo installed. Now, where did I say was going to be? It was about there, wasn't it? Something like that. We're going to put the servo in now. Yeah, a bit like that. That'll do. Okay, that is the third servo, and whatever that is, that's maybe the elbow or something like that, actually installed. a little bit of slack here. I don't know, it's probably not the most expensive. That's just servo slack. Now I need to figure out what goes in here. Thank you for watching part 3 of the servo powered robot arm build. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for part 4.